How to save TikTok drafts to your camera roll without posting. This tutorial shows you how to download an unfinished video straight to your gallery. First, open the TikTok app on your device. After that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom to open the creation screen. From there, tap on Drafts near the bottom left. At this point, tap on the draft you want to save. In the next step, this opens the draft in the editing screen just as you left it. Following this, tap on the download icon, usually shown in the top right corner. Once done, the video will now save directly to your device's camera roll or gallery. From here, keep in mind this saves the video with any edits, text, or effects already applied to the draft. At this stage, if a download icon isn't visible, tap the next button instead, then look for a save option before the final posting screen. Keep in mind, saving this way doesn't publish the video to TikTok, so it stays private and only exists on your device. Finally, open your gallery app to confirm the draft has been saved successfully. And that's it. If this guide helped you save TikTok drafts to your camera roll without posting, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.